How to make expand animation in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can just head over and click on the element that we want to apply it to. I'll head over and click onto this image. Now, once you have clicked on that image, click onto this icon right here, which is the Open Inspector icon. Click on that and it should be able to show you this. Click onto this animation and effects, and then from there we have the entrance animation. Click onto this add option below that, and in here we can just see the expand animation. So you can click on that and then apply it into the actual image. Now in here you can also see an actual presentation of what that will look like. So on some cases, expand animation is also available on other animation part. You can use it on hover as well. And it's also available on click. You can see it right here onto the expand. And you can also see it onto the scroll, loop, and mouse effects. So from in there, you can just choose what kind of animation you want. It can be entrance, hover, click, or the legs, as long as it's the expand animation. So that's how you make expand animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.